Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1989 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the diagram consisting of 4 options. Of the 4 biasing circuits shown in the figure, for a BJT, indicate which one is going to be having the maximum bias stability. First we will go with the importance of biasing, later we will discuss about the which circuit is going to be providing maximum stability. Okay. The right answer for this question is A. We'll see it. So let us assume you buy a transistor from the market. By that time that will be consisting of only 3 terminals. A transistor which consisting of 3 terminals, always arrow implies nothing but emitter and opposite is collector, this side is base. But for a transistor like this, it cannot act as amplifier until it is biased in active region. So simply buying a transistor cannot make an amplifier. First of all, you must keep the transistor in active region. The meaning of active region is nothing but emitter base junction must be forward bias. Emitter base junction is a PN junction between base and emitter, and collector base junction must be reverse bias. Collector base junction means a PN junction which is existing between collector and base. Okay. So if you keep emitter base junction forward bias and collector base junction reverse bias, then we can say that the transistor is in active region. Now it is ready to act as amplifier. You can apply any small signal that can be amplified by beta times. Okay. So for that one, this process of keeping the transistor in active region is going to be called as biasing. Biasing is a process of keeping the transistor in active region such that it can act as amplifier. So we have so many different biasing circuits. The biasing circuits are going to be like this. First one is fixed bias circuit. Second one is collector to base bias circuit. Collector to base bias circuit. And third one is emitter bias circuit. And fourth one is potential divider or voltage divider or self bias circuit. So these are the circuits we will study. Even though there are so many other possibilities are going to be existing, but everything is going to be having disadvantage except this fourth one, that is potential divider or voltage divider or self bias is the best biasing circuit that is going to be giving advantages of, okay, no thermal runaway problem. Thermal runaway is going to be a process of self-destructing the transistor as the temperature across the junction is going to be increases. Okay, so no thermal runaway problem exists. And second one is going to be Q point is stable Q point is going to be obtained. Stable Q point is going to be essential for the proper amplification. Okay, Q point is nothing but it's going to be a coordinates of VCE comma IC. If any one of this quantity is going to be changes, Q point changes. So to maintain this one, okay, it is an essential condition for the proper amplification, so that this stability is going to be provided by only potential divider or voltage divider bias, or it is also called as self bias. So this is what A is nothing but fourth one. It is called as potential divider or self bias or voltage divider, because if you are going to be looking at base side at that time, this is going to be acts like at base, it is looking like a voltage division is going to be placed at base, and this second one is going to be fixed bias circuit. Okay, and third one is collector to base bias circuit. Fourth one is slight modification of emitter bias. Okay, if this resistor is not there at that time, this is emitter bias, and if you place this resistor also, there is not much change you are going to get in emitter bias results. So this is going to be treated as emitter bias circuit. Out of all, voltage divider biasing is going to be the best biasing circuit. For BJT, always remember voltage divider bias circuit is the optimum. Okay, whatever the different circuits are given, wherever potential divider or voltage divider bias is there, that provides maximum stability. Okay, so the right answer is nothing but A for this one. Okay, thank you.